All right, we're gonna make a quick little martini for Valentine's Day. I have some ice in my shaker. I'm gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. That is a 1/4 cup, guys. That's also 4 tablespoons if you don't have a measurement. We're using unsweetened cranberry juice. We're gonna do 1 ounce of that. So that would be 2 tablespoons. We are going to use homemade raspberry syrup, but you can use store-bought, and we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of this, so 1.5 tablespoons. And we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, it's a tablespoon. Just gonna wing that. We'll shake this for about 15 seconds. So pretty. Happy St. Valentine's Day. Delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.